This is Silva. Day by day IT related content videos uploaded in my channels in Silva Solution. Subscribe Silva Solutions. Okay, today we are seeing latest Dell or HP latest machines or 12th generation processors. Like while Windows installation time we get a blank error. Okay, I've given description in my channel that link. Just copy paste to your bootable media, and just copy and paste it in our bootable media. Just boot your new OS. Just browse it that f6 file contents there. Okay, f6 file there in that bootable media. Just browse and here 150 drives f6. Okay, f6 vmd f6. Okay, just click OK. You get this like video image, and just OK, and you will get it your hard disk, everything, ssd hard disk, internal hard disk, or any your device drives, all the get it here. Just delete and edit you can use. I now I delete, and now I am doing installation for my Windows. Just create and here SSD here, and my hard disk there. I am installed only SSD. Now installed. Day by day IT related content videos uploaded in my channel. Just subscribe Server Solutions, friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Server Solutions and click bell icon.